What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm back out here with the cows, goats. I mean, what's new? But I got them. I'm about to feed them. Honestly, I don't know what I'm getting into. I figured I'd just start feeding because I need a video. He's trying to. I don't know what he's trying to do. Bumpers. But I'm about to feed it. Oh, I got Pussy in the truck. Okay, right here, I got a pear and a donut. I get these from school. Fans for eating a donut. I get these at school. When I don't eat them, I take them home to the cow because I'm can I see her? So fan, what a new fan. Really? No. Anyways, I was at school the other day. Stop. And I got some stuff like this. And the teacher was like, "Why do you have a banana sticking out of your jacket pocket?" I was like, "Because I got cows." Thought that was pretty good. Chill. Hey, chill. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Shades on, top back, rolling with the music jack. One on the wheel, one around you, baby. Sunset, I bet there's a chance we could get short up, tangled up, laid back and lazy. Pour it on easy.
And I got apple juice. I don't know if I like apple juice. I've never tried this. Flossie, come here. Do you want apple juice? What did I read? Yeah! This is why you don't get goats like Finn, okay? Hey, come here. Come here so the people can see you. Look. Is that good? Is it good? Hey, chill. I don't know. I guess they like it. Can y'all see her good? They're licking their lips like they like it. I don't know if they like it. Nice.
In the blue sky, shining off the cross, hanging from the mirror of my ride. The breeze blowing in, your hair blowing round. You're scanning through the stations, looking for that country sound. Good stuff, iced up in the back seat. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. I got my shades on, top back, rolling with the music jack. One on the wheel, one around you, baby. Sunset, I bet there's a chance we could get short enough, tangled up, laid back and lazy. Pour it on easy now, don't spill a bit. Nothing but time tonight. Let's get to killing it. Long as I'm rocking with you, girl, you know I'm cool with just chilling it. Nothing but two-lane country on up ahead. Girl, you so fine, I wouldn't
Are you guys
mind if
good?
this is all we did. You got me high on kisses, you got me missing signs. Hard looking left when my world is on my right. I got my shades on, top back, rolling with the music jack. One on the wheel, one around you, baby. Sunset, I bet there's a chance we could get short enough, tangled up, laid back and lazy. Pour it on easy now, don't spill a bit.
got the bannies up here doing an absolutely amazing job getting the raised bed right here ready for gardening season. They're in these little dog crates, and I took advantage of having littler chickens, and so you can put them in here, and they'll thrive in here, and then they get food from here. And I mean, of course, I still feed them, but they're getting basically like all of this ready to plant in. And most importantly, fertilization. See, I got him in here, them two in here, and good fertilization going on right here. So yeah, gonna leave them up to getting that cleared out. And so I'll just take and move them like this way, this way. And so over here, I've got the baby chicks. They're doing amazing and thriving here. And then I got the other little chickens, and then the two laying hens. Or the two laying hens and the rooster. In here. Let's see if my hens gave me some eggs today. Over here. Well, I don't see none. I don't think it happened today, but maybe soon. I need y'all to start giving me eggs, okay? Give me eggs, please. Got the good fresh rainwater collection right here. Can you say that? There's about a foot of water in there. And then right here, got a collection, and then here, got a collection of water. All off the roofs. So I can have chicken pen, water source. Right here we got old Rex and old Pistol. And a wild chicken right there. Hey. Oh, and we got Pete. Y'all remember Pete and Finn from like the second video that I ever filmed? She's doing big things for life. More water here. Water. Pens. And coming in this pen, look at all these, you can't see them. Really. We got all these chickens in here, but you probably can't even see them. Oh, I gotta prop back these north wind blockers. See, because that way's north, so wind coming this way, it gives them a good blockade for north wind, so they can huddle up to it. I would put straw in there, but the way that they're tilling the ground, I don't want to really put straw in here. Okay, I know y'all can't see a thing right now. Give me just a second. Okay, we got Mama right there. I think I showed her y'all on like the update on the baby chicks or something like that, I think. But right here we're gonna candle her eggs. Okay, so we got Mama over there. And I think that I showed her to y'all in the second video of 2021. I think it was like the update on the baby chicks. But we're gonna candle some eggs for. So this one, it's dark, right? Look right there. The baby chick's coming into it. Now let's candle some of the ones that are a little bit farther along. Banny egg. So y'all see how you can't shine a light through it? That means that it is fertile, or at least should be fertile. And it's about to hatch pretty soon, more than likely. Get in here, get another egg. So y'all see how it comes to one side like that? It's more than likely beginning to get fertile. Yeah, and y'all see, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but there's little veins, like right in there. You know, see that? There's veins right there, and you can see the baby chick moving around. Like right there. Right there. So yeah, that's good. Well, y'all, that wraps it up for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Again, coming out here showing y'all the chickens and whatnot. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a great night. God bless, and I'm out. See y'all.
I got my shades on, top back, rolling with the music jack.